Humans aren't the only ones who build empires. Some of the most powerful architects on Earth have teeth, fur, and live in rivers. Beavers don't just live in ecosystems, they create them. Found across North America and Eurasia, these rodents are master engineers. Using branches, mud, and stone, they build massive dams, sometimes stretching hundreds of meters. This is no accident. By raising the water level, beavers form deep ponds that protect their lodges from predators like wolves and bears. With underwater entrances, their homes stay unreachable to land-based threats. Survival isn't about hiding, it's about control. Beavers reshape entire landscapes. Their ponds attract fish, amphibians, and insects, supporting new life and boosting biodiversity. Their teeth never stop growing, reinforced with strong enamel, cutting wood without pause. Their dense fur, layered with a waterproof undercoat, keeps them warm even in freezing water. Beavers don't adapt to the world, they engineer it. And that strategy has kept them alive through changing climates for millions of years.
Termite mounds are living architecture, structures that breathe without electricity. In the tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and Australia, termites build towers that can rise up to 9 meters tall and house millions of individuals. These mounds are more than shelters. They are complex systems with a carefully controlled microclimate. Survival here depends on collective engineering. Inside the mound, ventilation shafts regulate temperature, keeping it close to 30 degrees Celsius while maintaining the humidity needed for fungal gardens, the colony's primary food source. Blind and wingless workers construct walls from a material stronger than concrete, protecting the colony from rain, fire, and predators. At the center lives the queen, reaching up to 10 centimeters in length, laying thousands of eggs every single day. Soldiers with powerful jaws stand guard, defending the colony at all costs. Through cooperation and architecture, termites turn harsh, arid landscapes into thriving, self-sustaining societies.
Art as a strategy for survival. Bowerbirds turn aesthetics into a tool for reproduction. Native to Australia and New Guinea, these birds are famous for their bowers, structures built not for living, but for attraction. Males construct arches or platforms from twigs, decorating them with objects of a single color, often blue, a rare shade in nature. Survival here depends on psychology and creativity. Through symmetry and color harmony, males signal genetic fitness, health, intelligence, and the ability to gather resources. Their performances go further. Dances and complex vocalizations imitate other birds, increasing appeal. Females choose mates based on the quality of the bower, selecting the best genes for their offspring. In a highly competitive environment, this strategy keeps the species alive. Today, bowerbirds adapt even to human-altered landscapes, sometimes using plastic in their displays, a sign of flexibility, but also a new ecological risk.
An air breather in a world of water. The diving bell spider has mastered physics to live underwater. Known as Argyroneta aquatica, this species inhabits freshwater lakes and ponds across Europe and Asia. Unlike other spiders, it spends most of its life below the surface, using an air bell like a miniature submarine. Survival depends on hydrophobic design. Fine hairs on the abdomen trap air, forming a bubble that functions like gills. Oxygen diffuses in from the water, while carbon dioxide diffuses out. The spider weaves a silk dome anchored to aquatic plants and regularly replenishes it with air from the surface. This adaptation allows it to hunt prey, avoid land-based predators, and reproduce entirely underwater. Females build larger air bells for their eggs. By expanding its ecological niche, the diving bell spider reduces competition and survives in cold waters, where temperatures remain more stable.
Cities beneath the sand. Meerkats build underground networks with clearly defined roles. Native to the deserts of southern Africa, these small mongooses live in colonies of up to 50 individuals. Their burrows reach depths of 2 meters, with multiple entrances, nursery chambers, and natural ventilation. Survival depends on cooperation and design. Lookouts take turns standing guard, sending alarm calls to warn the group of eagles or jackals. An alpha pair leads reproduction, while helpers care for the young, a system that allows the colony to survive in harsh, arid conditions. Strong claws are adapted for digging. Sharp vision detects danger from afar. Collective hunting provides insects and small reptiles for food. Through cooperation, a hostile desert becomes a safe home. To survive, some animals adapt to the world. Others change the world to fit their needs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.